Wrinkles and fine lines are natural signs of aging, appearing as creases on the skin due to factors like decreased collagen, sun exposure, and repetitive facial expressions. They can impact confidence and self-esteem, typically appearing around the eyes, mouth, and forehead. Here are 14 remedies for wrinkles or fine lines for women. Number 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within, which helps in maintaining elasticity. Number 2. Moisturize regularly. Use a good quality moisturizer that suits your skin type to keep it hydrated and plump, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Number 3. Sun protection. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can accelerate skin aging. Number 4. Retinoids. Incorporate retinoid-based creams or serums into your skincare routine. Retinoids help in stimulating collagen production and promoting cell turnover, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 5. Antioxidants. Use skincare products containing antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help in neutralizing free radicals and preventing damage caused by environmental factors. Number 6. Facial massage. Regular facial massages improve blood circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and help in relaxing facial muscles, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Number 7. Exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin regularly to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, revealing smoother and younger-looking skin. Number 8. Healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods high in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins contribute to skin health. Number 9. Sleep. Get an adequate amount of sleep every night as it allows your skin to repair and regenerate, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 10. Hydrotherapy. Alternate between hot and cold water while washing your face to stimulate blood circulation and tighten skin. Number 11. Facial exercises. Practice facial exercises to tone facial muscles and improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Number 12. Avoid smoking. Smoking accelerates skin aging by depleting oxygen and nutrients and damaging collagen and elastin fibers. Quit smoking to prevent premature wrinkles. Number 13. Stay stress-free. Chronic stress can lead to premature aging. Practice stress relief techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to keep your skin youthful. Number 14. Consistent skincare routine. Establish a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and targeted treatments to address specific skin concerns, including wrinkles and fine lines. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. It may take time to see significant improvements, so be patient and stick to your routine. Additionally, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options tailored to your skin type and concerns.